Hey guys, it's Q. Welcome back to my channel. Today I want to do a very cute and just a very simple at home Valentine's Day setup. And a lot of the items that you are going to see here did come from the Dollar Tree and or things that I've already had from home. So this is very easy to set up, and I'm going to go through and show you what I did because this is something that you guys can set up. You might change a little thing here and there, but for the most part, this is something that you guys can easily do. So I'm going to walk you through what I actually did. If interested, then stay tuned. Alright guys, so my table setting right here, first of all, you guys, I'm in love with this. And because we're not going out for Valentine's this year, I wanted to kind of do something that was still cute and, you know, something at home that still felt like we were somewhere else. Because we're not going to have that privilege of going out, especially with, you know, having our kids at home as well. I figured like when the kids go to sleep, we can just have this nice romantic setup right here. And yep, it's all good. All right, so let's get started. So the very first thing I have here are my rose petals, and these came from the dollar store, and I believe this is just like one pack. And why I did this is because you can just something different. You know, normally I could just put them on the floor, but I just threw them on the tablecloth like this, and just, you know, just for that little added extra thing. And then all I did here was take some cutout hearts. I just took some red cardstock paper and just cut out a few hearts, and then I just attached them to the tablecloth. And I have my chair covers right here. I have my black ones right here. They are like a stretchy nylon chair covers. I love these because they stay in place and don't really move when you sit down. I have my, what is this, my chair sash, and it's actually like a stretchy sash. So, and I don't know if you guys can really tell, but it is glitter. Love it. I love anything that blings. If you guys are familiar with my channel, you know that pretty much everything I do, I have some type of glitter thing going on. All right, so I have that on both chairs, and on the table, I have my matching glitter table runner. Now, to be honest, this is not a table runner. This is actually a backdrop curtain. If you guys seen one of my videos, previous videos, I used it. I had like glitter backdrops hanging up, and that's what this is. And I just folded it in half. Let's see if I can show you guys. See, I just folded it in half and used it as a table runner. That way I can get multiple uses for it. So not only can I use it for a backdrop, I can also use it for this beautiful sequin table runner. And let's see what's next. Oh, here is my Dollar Tree chargers. So I have 2 of those. I have my Dollar Tree plates, and then I just took the same hearts that I cut out and put on the table right here. I just put those on the plate just to kind of give that extra wow factor, so when we sit down, you know, it has some kind of decorative thing right here. You know, obviously you're going to move that before we eat, but just so you know, we have that here. And actually, you know, maybe we could do some cute, like write a special like cute little message to each other and give to each other. I don't know, some cheesy little thing that we could do. And what else do we have? Oh, we have our Dollar Tree vases, and these have like the water. Actually, these came from, I'll put a link where I got these from. These did not come from the dollar store. I'm not even sure if the dollar store has like these like drop-in tea lights, but I'll put a link below. But even if you didn't have this, you could fill it up with like tissue paper and drop one of the Dollar Tree little tea lights in it. Here are some candles, and then I have another Dollar Tree vase, and then I took some of the red Dollar Tree bling wrap, and I just wrapped it, and then just threw a few of those same rose petals that I have down here inside of the jar. And then I just have the same thing on this side. So as we're sitting and looking at each other, gazing into each other's eyes, this is the view that we'll have right here. Then I have my Dollar Tree glasses right here. And just to add that kind of restaurant feel, I just took a napkin and I don't even know how I got this thing in here. I just folded it some kind of way. And yeah, so that's all I did for that. And to me, it gives it that extra look instead of just having the napkin placed on the table. I just, you know, did that cute little fold. And then inside my vase, I have my Dollar Tree flowers right here, my roses. And I think for the table setting, that's it. However, I did a couple things to kind of add to the whole mood of the, you know, our cute little lover's table. I don't know what you would call this. But anyway, so right here, you guys, first of all, I'm a big fan of using paper to make decorations. I am your budget-friendly girl. Like, if you guys want to see how to throw parties on a budget, then you definitely need to subscribe and hit that notification bell to see whenever I post videos, because I will show you how to throw these fabulous looking budget-friendly table settings on a budget. And you know, my favorite store is the Dollar Tree, so I pretty much get mostly everything I use from there. Dollar Tree or Amazon, you can't go wrong. But anyway, back to what I was saying. So with the paper, I just took some cutouts and just made these little letters, XOXO, with a little heart right here to add to the mood. I just have some more candles and Dollar Tree candles right here, and some other candles that I have. And then next, we have some mood lighting right here. This is my up lighting. You guys, it's kind of hard to tell because I do have the lights on, but I have that. I'm gonna turn the lights off so you can actually see what this kind of looks like with the lights off. I got my fireplace going on, and you guys, to be honest, it is hot in here. I put this on just to show you guys just the, you know, the mood it would create, but it's burning up in here, so I'm gonna turn this thing off. Yeah, I'm gonna turn this off because it's pretty hot in here, but you guys get the drift. All right, I'll turn it back on when I show you with the lights off. And then the last thing of the decorations before I actually show you what it looks like with the lights off is this little backdrop right here. Again, I'm a lover of paper, you guys. You know, like, I'll take paper and I can create, like, you know, all kinds of things with cardstock paper. So again, I just use like the same hearts that are on the tablecloth, and I just spelled out love and have a few more hearts. And the great thing about this is that once we're finished eating, we can just stand in front of this and take a quick little, you know, selfie shots, you know, and then that way we have something to look back on how we spent our Valentine's Day this year. So that's an added bonus. And let's see, oh, I forgot to show you guys the tablecloth. This is a satin tablecloth that I'm using, but again, you don't have to use satin. You know, a lot of times I actually use plastic tablecloths because you add all these other things to the table, you can't even really tell that it is a plastic tablecloth. And as far as like the sequin tablecloth, the Dollar Tree actually carries red table runners, especially with Valentine's Day coming. I'm sure they have lots of different options at the Dollar Tree that you could use. But because I wanted to save some money and I wanted to try to do this with all the things I had at home, I did not go to the Dollar Tree to get anything. So again, everything that you're seeing here, I've already had, which made it a lot easier for me to just break this stuff out and just complete this cute little setup. All right, and now I'm going to turn the lights off so you can see what this will look like and get that true Valentine's feeling. So hold tight while I turn the lights off. Oh, you guys, another thing I forgot to tell you, which is very important about this whole table setting. Most people are like, where do you even get a table like this small? This is what I did, you guys. Like, I'm gonna show you my little secret. I'm messing this up for you guys. All I did was take 3, was it TV trays? That's it, you guys. I took 3 table trays and put them together just to kind of create this whole look. So there you go, just plain old TV trays. So I have my setting all on these tables we already had. So if you don't have like just a regular table, this is another option that you can do. Okay, so now you guys can see what this looks like with the lights off. Look how pretty this is, you guys. And the fact that it's sitting right in my family room and we don't have to go anywhere and can still feel like we went somewhere. I think this is just amazing. We have, you know, the cute little romantic table setting. We have the rose petals. We have the hearts. We have the flowers. We got the candles. We got this hot fireplace going on. We got our XOXO with the candles in the background, and then our up lights right here and right here. And then top it off with a cute little photo shoot at the end of the night. I think this is amazing. You know what? We might have to I might have to convince my husband we need to spend Valentine's Day like this more often. You know, cook a nice dinner and, you know, save some money. You know, I think this would be great. Plus, there'll be more money to buy me a gift, right? You guys agree, right? All right, so that's it, you guys. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you get notified every time I post a video. And I hope you guys found this video useful and got some ideas of, you know, if you are planning to spend Valentine's Day at home because a lot of the restaurants may be closed and you can't get out, or you just want to save some money and do something cute like this. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope this video was useful, and I hope you got a lot of ideas, and I will chat with you in the next one. Take care.